Yeah. She's way bigger than that ball now. Oh my gosh. Wow, she's got some skills now.
Yeah, she's considered it. Oh, growing. I'm a big girl now, ball. Oh.
Wow.
Wow.
She's fired up.
We all know you're a big girl. You don't need to be trying to prove it.
I don't know why that ball needs to be on the couch in your mind. No,
I think she's just feeling good because
maybe she got a couple teeth out.
she's like, hey, I'm able to carry this thing around. Remember when that ball used to bully you?
Yeah. She really wants it on the couch.
Ain't bullying you anymore.
That rope's got to go real good on those teeth. Because they can sink in and then it pushes the gums.
All right. You are way stronger than that ball.
Wow,
now.
she's
Wow. Yeah. Good job. Yep, you are the
Look at
boss.
those neck muscles.
Good girl, Puddy.
Wow. It's up now. Now what are you going to do? What's this vision you've had of what's going to happen up here? Oh, yeah. Get it, buddy. She will have so much fun with that outside when she can.
Yes, you'll get it going in a helicopter.
I could have a bite of food.
All right.
I'll go check on that calm.
Enough of this nonsense.